Hello everyone, I am Mr. P. Satra. Again I am coming for you mainly for the ICC students, but this chapter will help you a lot whenever you will learn Java. So the basic concept you have to understand about the function. Today my topic is function. Before going to start my class, this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. I will upload more valuable classes for you all. Please follow my class properly. Now today I am showing you only the functions. Next classes I will complete that different types of function problem like the overloading, constructor, everything I will show you. But today is my first starting class of the function. We know that the functions chapter is very lengthy chapter. We have to understand it clearly. So first class I have taken as functions. What is functions and when to apply this? One important thing, that functions are, I have written here two types. One, inbuilt functions, that you all know, the inbuilt functions which are given in Java, like a simple thing math.pow, math.ceil, and the other functions that are called inbuilt, which is by default we are getting whenever we are installing the software, Java software. We are getting by default, that are the functions. But the functions we can customize, or we can create our own functions by our own name, by our choiceable name. So why we need the function? That is important. The function we need for the reuse. Suppose anything you have done today, you have written a simple program by a name, and that program you can implement in future. Any other program you are writing, in that program you can take this program. So reuse a function, a simple thing you have written over there, that can be used multiple programs. That is the main motto for the functions we are using. One more thing, a simple example, a big project you have taken. If you split that one into different segment or different works, means suppose a calculator program you are taking. A calculator basic, suppose 4 functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now you are the main, I am the main, I am Mr. P. Satra, I am main, and my under that 4 students are doing my class, and I have given the work. This student number A, you do this work, addition work. Student number 2, you do the subtraction work. Student number 3, you do the multiplication work, and another one is division work. If you split the work, what will happen? You can save the time. You can save the time. Suppose they need 1 day time. If I complete that program, I need 5 days time. But if I split the work, I can finish that work within 1 day or 2 days. Because the multiple manpower we can use. I have given one function to one student. I am not doing all this complete program alone. I am splitting that one. So this is the situation when we will take the help of the function. So you see that now I will explain about the user defined functions. This inbuilt functions I told you just now, math.pow, math.ceil, any other functions which are given in Java, that are whenever we are installing the software, that time we are getting lot of inbuilt functions. That is called inbuilt functions, and this is user defined functions. In our program I can write our own function. Anything you can calculate, anything you can do, any work you can do in that. Today I will show you a simple program, lot more programs are there. I am taking a simple program. What is that? In a complete program I am taking 4 numbers from the user. 4 numbers, integer numbers we are taking from the user, and 2 different work I will do. I am main, public static void main. Main means Prashanto Satra. My name is Prashanto Satra. Every day I am telling you that P. Satra, that full name is Prashanto Satra. So I am Prashanto Satra. Under 2 students are working add and multiplication. I am giving 2 different numbers to these students, another 2 different numbers to these students, and I am telling first student you do the addition work, you do the multiplication work. You go outside of my room and do the work and then come back. Okay, so this is the way that you can understand the program like this. What is that? Suppose here you have taken 5, here you have taken 7, here 3, here 4 you have taken. So these 4 numbers in the main, when this is the function name, you see that functions can be return type, cannot, sometime it we will use without return type also. Return type means, suppose this student, add student, name of the student add. I have given one 5 rupees note, one 7 rupees note. I am telling you go outside and have some tiffin and come back. So he is not bringing anything for me. That means it is with argument but no return type. Argument, you see that this is called actual argument in the functions. This actual arguments, he has taken the two values. He is going outside, taking something over there and then coming back. He is not bringing anything for me. So what is happening? That is called, this function is not returning any value. That is the situation that you will write void. If any function, this is main function, this is sub function. Name of the sub function is add. Name of the sub function is multiplication, mul. So this add function, 2 arguments, you see that this 5 I have given it to, here it is 5, here it is 7. So it is 5, it is 7. So this one is being copied here and this one is being copied here. So that means main, I am collecting the value from outside. That value I am passing to these students here. Then these students are doing some work. What it is doing? It is doing summation work. 5 plus 7, it is 12. Computer show me sum of 12. That means he has done some work and it is showing outside. Means he is not carrying that value inside. He has done the work. Okay, this is one function he has done. One student he has done. Another students, again, this is after doing this work, again computer will come back for this next function. So whenever it is reading this line, it is coming to this line. After doing this complete work, again it is going back for the next line. Multiplication C and D, 3 and 4. This is 3, 4. So this 3 will be copied here. 3 will be copied here. This 4 will be copied here. So now computer, you do the product. 3 into 4. So it is 12. Product is 12. This way we are doing very simply. This is the example of function. I am showing you one simple function problem. I will give you the problem, then I will solve. But now try to understand the functions. So this is what functions with no return type. These are the functions are not returning any value into main. But going time they are taking some value from main. Okay. So this one, if you do, it will do this line, 2 lines work. I will see this one in computer, you can understand. I will upload lot more functions class in this YouTube. So please, one by one you try to follow. You will sit for the council examination. Those who are not sitting for the council examination, that is different issue. But for the mainly I am uploading these classes for the ICC students. So initially I am showing you that simple functions problem. I will upload different types of function problem in future. So please, today you see this one in computer. So please check this one now. Please check this one. I have written this program. You see this, everything whatever I have written on the board, everything I have written. But here see, I have given that inbuilt value. Here I am taking some other values. You just check what are the values. I will take it here. That variables, how I have written on the board, please check it. int A, int B, int C, int D. You write this one A comma B, C comma D. This one. Okay. So you can understand now. Whatever I have written on the board, everything I have written it here. Now I am checking this. Close. This is my program name is given con1. On the board I have written function 1. Okay, so I am writing function 1, function function 1. Okay, control K, compilation done. Now let's see this working. Class, right click, main, I will apply main. Take 4 values. What are the 4 values we will take? Suppose I have taken 5, 7, 3, 4. 5, tab 7, tab 3, tab 4. These are the 4 values I have given. Okay, check. Computer is doing for me. This is sum is 12, product is also 12. So this is what a simple function problem. A simple function problem. Okay. So I think it is clear to everyone. So you can understand how to apply the functions. I will upload more functions like this. Okay, if you are liking my classes, please give a like. So I will upload more classes. Please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you very much.